Have you ever wondered if time itself could be manipulated, not just on Earth, but in the far reaches of the cosmos? Imagine this. Scientists have just discovered a dying galaxy, one on the brink of collapse, but it holds a secret that could alter everything we know about the universe. A cosmic anomaly, perhaps a relic from another era, seems to be defying the fundamental laws of physics, hinting at the possibility of time travel. Could this be the breakthrough we've been waiting for, or is it just a glimpse into something far more mysterious? In this video, we'll explore how this galaxy's impending collapse could unlock the secrets of time, the incredible potential of this discovery to change our understanding of the universe, and what this could mean for the future of space exploration. Stay with us as we journey into the unknown, where reality itself might be bending and twisting in ways we can hardly comprehend. The galaxy in question is known as NGC 6819, a seemingly ordinary dying galaxy located in the heart of the constellation Cygnus, over 100 million light-years away. From Earth, it looks like just another faint smudge in the night sky, but what's happening within this galaxy is anything but ordinary. This galaxy, once a vibrant hub of stellar activity, is now slowly dying, its stars fading and collapsing in on themselves. But as it begins its inevitable descent into darkness, something extraordinary has emerged from its core, something that has captivated the attention of scientists across the globe. The anomaly began to show up just a few years ago. At first, it appeared as a small irregularity, unexpected fluctuations in the galaxy's light output, but the more data scientists gathered, the stranger it became. The fluctuations weren't random, they were rhythmic, pulses of energy emanating from the center of the galaxy, unlike anything seen before, suggested that something far more complex was at play. But what really stunned researchers was the recent discovery of a peculiar time distortion, a brief yet powerful ripple in the fabric of space-time that seemed to echo out from the dying galaxy. This isn't just another cosmic oddity. This is the first time scientists have observed such a phenomenon in a dying galaxy, and it's raising some very real possibilities about the nature of time and space itself. Could the collapse of this galaxy be linked to the bending of time? Is it possible that the galaxy is acting as a natural time machine, bending the very essence of reality? This discovery has left the scientific community both puzzled and exhilarated, as we stand on the edge of potentially rewriting the laws of physics as we know them. To understand what's happening in NGC 6819, let's first break down the life cycle of a galaxy. Like all celestial bodies, galaxies have a lifespan. They start off vibrant, full of energy and new stars, but as time passes, they begin to age. In the case of NGC 6819, it's in its final stages. The stars at its core are burning out, their nuclear fusion slowing down, causing the galaxy to lose its once brilliant shine. For a star, fusion is the process of combining lighter elements like hydrogen into heavier elements like helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This energy creates the light and heat we see from stars, keeping them stable. But when a star runs out of fuel, the fusion process begins to collapse inward. The star's core contracts under gravity, and the outer layers are expelled, often resulting in a supernova or a white dwarf, depending on the star's size. But what makes this discovery in NGC 6819 so extraordinary is that the usual process of stellar collapse isn't the only thing going on here. As the stars in the galaxy begin to run out of fuel, something else is happening, an anomaly in the space-time fabric. The galaxy is emitting pulses of energy that seem to be traveling faster than light, defying our understanding of the universe's laws. Scientists believe this may be due to a gravitational wave, a ripple in space-time itself, caused by the immense collapse of stars in the galaxy. These gravitational waves are incredibly subtle, but they carry profound information about the interior of stars and the space around them. To observe these events, Scientists are using a variety of advanced tools. The Hubble Space Telescope has been capturing high-resolution images of the galaxy, allowing researchers to study the changing behavior of its stars. Gravitational wave observatories, like LIGO, are detecting slight tremors in space-time, providing more evidence of these strange phenomena. And neutrino detectors are picking up high-energy particles, suggesting that something massive is happening deep within the galaxy. These tools are giving us a clearer picture of a dying galaxy, but they're also revealing something far more mysterious, a potential window into time itself. If the pulse of energy is indeed a time distortion, we could be witnessing the collapse of time as we know it, a moment that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe's very structure. The most fascinating aspect of this discovery is that the event could be happening right now, but we might not even realize it for centuries. That's the nature of astronomical timing. Light travels at an incredible speed, 186,000 miles per second. But even at that speed, it takes time for light to reach us from distant galaxies. The pulses of energy we're detecting could have already been emitted hundreds, or even thousands, of years ago. This means that by the time we witness the final collapse of NGC 6819, it might be a reflection of a cosmic event that occurred long before our time. Experts are predicting that the culmination of this galaxy's collapse could happen at any moment. The stars are rapidly running out of fuel, and the instability is increasing. When it happens, it could be nothing short of spectacular. Imagine a cosmic explosion, possibly a supernova, that outshines everything in our sky. Some scientists speculate that, depending on the size of the collapse, the burst of light could be bright enough to be visible during the day, shining like the full moon. The light would flood through our solar system, casting an eerie glow on our planet. This spectacle could serve as a reminder of the immense power locked away in distant galaxies, and the fact that we're witnessing this event at all, even though it may have already occurred, adds a profound layer of mystery to our understanding of time. In the next few decades, we may finally catch a glimpse of this celestial climax, forever altering our view of the universe and the space-time fabric itself. Imagine stepping outside on a clear night, your eyes adjusting to the familiar darkness of the sky. But then, as you look up, something unimaginable happens. A new, brilliant light begins to shine, a burst of energy so powerful it outshines every star around it, casting its glow across the entire sky. For a brief moment, the night will be illuminated like never before. The explosion could be bright enough to be seen even during the day, as if someone had flicked on a second sun. As the explosion unfolds, it will grow in intensity, slowly spreading across the heavens, its brilliance taking on an ethereal, almost surreal quality. If you were to gaze at it through the naked eye, you'd witness a cosmic display, a supernova like no other, the heart of a dying galaxy unleashing its final, glorious light. The light could be so intense that it would cast long shadows, visible even in broad daylight. For a few minutes, the entire sky could transform, a visual spectacle that will be visible to millions of people around the world, depending on the galaxy's position and the Earth's rotation. This isn't just a celestial event, it's a once-in-a-civilization moment. The emotional significance of this event would be staggering. Humanity would be united under this awe-inspiring spectacle, a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme of the cosmos, but also how magnificent the universe can be. A moment like this might never come again, an unforgettable glimpse into the very heart of a dying galaxy, where space and time bend, leaving us awestruck. This event isn't just visually breathtaking, it's a scientific goldmine. When a massive galaxy like NGC 68119 reaches the end of its life, the explosions that follow aren't just chaotic blasts of light, they're cosmic forges. Inside these dying stars, unimaginable pressures and temperatures are created, powerful enough to generate the universe's heaviest elements. Gold, platinum, uranium. These are not formed in the calm centers of planets. They are born in the fury of stellar death hurled into space during the explosion. It's in these final, violent breaths that the universe performs one of its most profound acts of creation. What happens after the explosion is equally important. The materials ejected into space will eventually become part of new stars, planets, and possibly even life itself. This is cosmic recycling at its most dramatic. Every atom in our bodies, every bit of iron in our blood, every trace of calcium in our bones was once part of a star. Events like the one unfolding in NGC 6819 remind us that we are not just in the universe, we are of it. Scientists compare this galactic behavior to other massive stars closer to home, like Antares or the gigantic VY Canis Majoris. These giants are still burning, but one day they too will meet similar fates, seeding the cosmos with the ingredients of life. The dying breath of a galaxy like NGC 68119 isn't just a spectacular end. It's a beautiful beginning, offering us both knowledge and perspective about our place in this endless, ever-changing universe. Despite the dramatic nature of this explosion, there's no need to worry. Earth is completely safe. NGC 68119 is thousands of light-years away, far beyond the reach of any harmful radiation or shock waves. The light from its supernova might dazzle our skies, but it poses no threat to life on our planet. If anything, the effects we'll notice will be more fascinating than frightening. We might experience heightened auroras, those mesmerizing lights that dance across polar skies, thanks to increased ionization in our upper atmosphere. These changes are harmless and temporary, more like nature's celebration of a cosmic event. What's even more incredible is that scientists might know it's coming before we ever see the light. Neutrino detectors around the world, highly sensitive instruments buried deep underground, can pick up a burst of ghost-like particles released during a star's collapse. These signals travel faster than light does through space's dust and gas, giving astronomers an early warning. In that moment, telescopes across the globe would turn toward the sky, bracing for the most extraordinary show the universe has to offer, armed not just with wonder, but with scientific readiness. We're witnessing the final breath of a giant, a farewell millions of years in the making. Light from a dying galaxy, traveling across the unimaginable vastness of space, is just now brushing against our world. It's a message from the past, a final whisper from a place that may no longer exist. And yet, here we are, catching that whisper, decoding its meaning, and marveling at its beauty. Moments like these remind us just how fragile and fleeting our existence is in the cosmic timeline. Stars are born, live, and die over spans of time we can barely comprehend. And yet, through their death, they give birth to everything we know, to planets, oceans, life, even us. We're made of that same stardust, forged in the very fires we now witness from across the void. As we look up at the sky tonight, let's remember that the universe is still speaking to us. Its stories are hidden in the flicker of stars, the bend of light, the silent drift of galaxies. Some tales are ancient, others still unfolding, but all of them remind us of something truly profound, that even in death, the universe creates. So keep wondering, keep watching, because the next cosmic miracle might already be on its way. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. The universe has countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and we'd love to explore them with you.